After 2 weeks, I'm back again. It's a salsa and karaoke night tonight. Welcome to my vlog again. So it's a salsa night, and then after that it's karaoke night. I'm gonna show you. All right.
I need more salsa lessons. All right. Okay, we're gonna start now. The first, mom, you can come this way, please. Thank you. All right. Step number one: put your feet together. We're gonna start with our together, left, together, right, together, left, together, right, together. Step number two is similar, but forward and back. All right, feet together again. Forward, forward, feet together, back, together, forward, together. All right, DJ. Okay, get ready. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. 5, 6, 7, go. Right and left. Right and left. Right and left. Right and left. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Alright, okay. I'm gonna show you guys the combination. A step number 1 and a step number 2. Okay? So fit together again and step
It's
number
really
1.
busy tonight. This is the
1,
paella.
2,
Look at this.
3, and 4. Very good. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And
1,
this is the
2, 3, and 4. 3,
Bye. Kaya pa bye.
Very good, that little thing.
Kaya ba? Kaya mo ka.
5, 6, 7,
Having
go.
soup?
1 and 2.
Having soup?
Forward and back.
First time nahurot ang
Left,
Ha?
left,
powder.
forward and back.
Busy ka ron ba?
Right,
Yeah, busy ba?
left,
Siklipan pa?
Very good, guys. Okay, with the music.
I have a vlog, so there's gonna be on it in this resort.
That's cool.
Alright. You gotta be next week. Say hello.
Said, hey, Manchester, you know I'm a peaceful man. So I try, and I try, and I try. And no satisfaction.
It's another night again. It's like almost done right now. Everybody's gone. Like we are like bombarded actually. We don't expect this beach today. I don't expect this beach today. I thought just like an easy day because like 2 days now just like easy night. But tonight just like oh crazy. It's like it just came at the same time. It's really busy and everybody has the buffet. We have seafoods night tonight and you know the seafoods. Our seafoods night is always good. They have lobster. They have those shrimp cocktails. And they have those ceviche. They have like mussel, and then we have lobster. We have oyster, like fresh oyster. That's what's like say those like one of those night just like that. We don't expect this kind of busy actually, but everything is good. Everything is good. Like no complaint. So all good. Everybody's happy. So that's all about. Um, by the way, before I end up, because now I'm gonna be start cleaning and closing soon. So before I end up actually this video, because it's been like almost 2 weeks now. I'm just like take my time, relax, and I didn't take any video for the past 2 weeks. We just being busy for Christmas and New Year, and now it's like this new beginning. And new, now I'm just like start cleaning and doing things. Right. So just watch me. I just sent my work actually because he came 12 o'clock today and he just got home. So like man can just go home. Samir, I can just do this because now I don't have any guests right now. So one thing I like actually once you got like busy at the same time, like early guests because like all those guests actually like they will go at the same time also. One of those night, somehow it's like we have like slow night down here, but the problem is they will come one by one. So this time we can still see some guests in the bar actually sitting like maybe two or three, and we can just close just like that. We have to wait until close at 11 o'clock. So and tonight is not one of those nights. So it's busy early and everybody's gone early. It's good. Voila. I wish I have somebody to take my video actually because during the busy time I can just take all the video because I'm working the same as I can just move. I can just do it like move around tables by tables actually because today if you see the table outside by the beach that is full of guests today. Yeah, down there by the beach. That is full of guests today. The same as on the other side. So over here is like full of guests today, and the bar also is like packed. So I can just like take whole video because I'm working and I can just move. It's like the first priority for us is work, right? So this like the second. So I have to do what I have to do, right? So now start taking this bottle, hide it. Lock it, and that's gonna be it for tonight. And then I have to the TV. I have to put a cover on this TV. That one too, the other one, that one, and I have the other. We have 4 TVs by the bar, so yeah. Like any playoff, any games. That's why somehow it's like this bar is like really busy because they're watching the game also, right? And the Super Bowl is coming soon, and this bar is gonna be packed, really busy again. Anyway, that's it for now. I see you next time. And please again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell button, and what's that? Hit the likes, or you guys can comment also, and then I can reply you right away. All right, thank you. Have a good night, guys.